Okay, so if you have a Nordic keyboard and you want to use this key and this key, you will need to click it twice to have it appears on your screen. Let me show you. So if you click it only one time, like this, nothing will happen. But if one more time, it'll be there, but with 2 letters, and this is quite annoying. And this is how you approach it. You click it once, right? Nothing happens. And next step is to click on spacebar, like this, and then there you go. You have one letter of the key that you want. And this thing it work on these 2 keys because I don't know, something is weird with the Nordic key. If you have like Nordic Nordic language also on keyboard layout. So okay, let me show you again. But this time now I'll try this up there, right? So for this you need to click shift, you hold shift, click once, and nothing appears here, and spacebar, and then there you go. You have one letter instead of you know, and nothing happened, and one more time, and you have 2, and then you need to delete it. Quite annoying. Okay, and same works here with this key also. So you click once, nothing happened, and then spacebar. There you go. You have one of these, right? Okay, now let's move on to how you can type this line and this kind of bent line, I guess. Okay, so if you click Alt GR and click on this, doesn't matter if you click 2 times, nothing will happen in your screen. So I know how to fix it, but I don't know why the reason that they put it here. So okay, this is how you click or type this key. You need to hold on Alt GR, and then let's go here, all the way here, and click it one, and then here you go. You'll get this straight line, some bar key, and the next one is this bending bar. I don't know. Yeah. So it is how you type it. You hold Alt GR and you click it here, not this key, but here, right? And there you go. You will have this key. Enjoy it.